In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access for Manage Hostinger account. Hostinger Tutorial 2026. If you want someone to help manage your hosting or domain without sharing your password, Hostinger's account sharing makes it simple and secure. I'll walk you through it step by step, explain what each option means, and share a few tips so you can grant the right level of access with confidence. Once you're signed into your Hostinger account, look to the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see your profile picture icon. Click that to open your account menu. From this menu, find and open Account Sharing. It's the one with the share icon. This is your central place to manage who can access your services. Inside Account Sharing, you'll notice two tabs. One to request access to someone else's account, and one to grant access to your own. Choose Grant Access, then select the Grant Access button again to start a new invitation. You'll see a field to enter the email address of the person you want to make a manager. Type the address carefully and double check for typos because Hostinger will send the invitation there. Below the email, choose the access level. You can allow the person to manage services only, which is ideal for routine maintenance, updates, and troubleshooting. Or you can allow managed services and make purchases using an added payment method. Only choose this second option if you trust the person with billing actions like renewals or add-ons, because it enables spending from payment methods already saved on your account. Next, select which services they can access. You can grant access to a specific hosting plan, like your premium web hosting, a specific domain, such as your .online domain, or simply select all if you want them to manage everything. Choosing only what they need is a great way to keep things organized and secure. As you scroll, you'll see an option to allow the manager to set up pending orders. Turn this on if you want them to finalize orders that are already in progress. If you'd rather keep order setup under your control, leave it off. When everything looks right, click Grant Access to send the invitation. That's it. Your manager will receive an email invite, and once accepted, they'll have the exact permissions you selected. You can return to account sharing anytime to review, modify, or remove access. If this tutorial helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear, practical guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.